Welcome to American Family Care. The right care. Right now.
Hey, let's see Cahaba Village right here right now. Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me if Dr. Blake Thomas works at your clinic?
Dr. Blake is no longer with AFC.
Okay. Can you tell me if he was fired or did he quit?
He left.
Okay, he left. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Alright, heads up, YouTube. The AFC American Family Care Urgent Care Clinic, located in Cahaba Village near Mountain Brook. This is technically in Birmingham, Alabama. They have recently posted on July 10th, 2023, a job opening for a physician in this location. Now, previously, this has been the practice of Dr. Christopher Blake Thomas, MD. And I was a patient under Dr. Blake Thomas's care in 2019. To see everything that happened to me regarding my experience with this doctor in this medical practice, you can see my documentation at YouTube channel My Medical Nightmare. Back in May 2022, I tried to contact this doctor whose name appeared on the top of medical records that I requested from American Family Care. And this was in regards to a misdiagnosed x-ray of my skull that I had done in 2019. Blake Thomas, MD's name appears here as supervising the nurse that facilitated the x-ray in the AFC clinic. This is Kimberly Kelly, and he should have also been checking over the work of radiologist Dr. Anna Maria Eknick, MD DABR, which the x-ray was outsourced to through Xperity. You call the phone number under this doctor's name on the radiologist report, it leads to Xperity. This doctor and subsequently the nurse told me I had no injuries appear in this x-ray. I'll put the actual images in this video so you can see the truth regarding this matter. I have around a 3-inch in diameter translucent oval here. This is visible in a standard x-ray. No contrast was used in this scan. Subsequently, I discovered in further MRI and CT that I had broken the underside of my skull. And the translucent oval that you can see in the AFC and Xperity x-ray, this shows up as infection surrounding the main wound. I tried to contact this doctor to get this x-ray scan looked at again because I paid $175 for this visit and I got a misdiagnosis here. This is not helpful if you're a medical patient seeking treatment with doctors and nurses, in this case licensed in the state of Alabama. I found that this doctor was located at the American Family Care Clinic in Cahaba Village off Highway 280 in Birmingham. I tried to call this doctor's office. It was then that I found out by talking to the receptionist. Every individual that worked in this location that I spoke with, they used a nickname, a false name, or a pseudonym. In trying to reach Dr. Blake Thomas, MD, I was put in touch with an individual who identified himself as the office manager of this clinic, and he went by the name Sadler, Saddler. I later found out after my call with this office manager that I was in fact speaking with the state of Alabama licensed medical doctor Christopher Blake Thomas, who I was trying to reach in the first place. So he gave a false name. And I found this out very simply. You can hear my recorded calls with this individual. And Dr. Blake Thomas gave a television interview with Birmingham, Alabama, TV station WVTM Channel 13. Listen to the two voices, and they are identical. I believe that a medical doctor identifying himself under a pseudonym is against the law in Alabama, and possibly other jurisdictions as well. This is a type of fraud. I'm not very happy about my experience dealing with this individual. Yeah, and trying to get that x-ray and the misdiagnosis looked at again, the office manager, again, a false identity that this doctor was using, he told me that he could do nothing to help me fix this situation. No refund of my $175. He wouldn't go to the medical doctor or Xperity and have this situation looked at or reversed. He told me on the phone, you can hear this recorded, there's nothing he was going to be able to do to help me fix this situation. And this is real bad news, because that injury that I had, I almost died from in 2019. This is totally unacceptable as a medical patient. AFC as well, I contacted. They would not help me with this situation. I talked to Xperity. They would not help me fix this situation or correct this. And basically, I was ripped off as a customer and a medical patient. I went to the Alabama Board of Medical Examiners and filed complaints in this situation. They would do nothing to help me with their oversight. Totally useless. They're lazy. If you're a doctor out there and you're interested in taking this job, please bear in mind my story. Bear in mind that you may have to use a fake name when you talk to the public and patients. And this is unacceptable. No doctor worth their salt should work for this place. No person seeking medical treatment should go to a place with doctors who are using fake names. I mean, this is totally ridiculous. 2023. United States of America, and this stuff's going on. People have got to stand up to this nonsense.